Hi guys, this is Tasmiya. Welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing fine. Since it's festive season and it's not a good idea to go out for shopping for new clothes, I'll be sharing on how you could style your lehenga from your cupboard in 5 different ways. Just keep on watching. So I had worn this lehenga for my cousin's wedding just exactly this way with a Banarasi Brocade straight cut suit and a netted dupatta. So let's start with the hairstyle. Having the hair side partition, I'm taking a section of hair from the middle and creating 3 strands. Make a 3-strand braid by taking a section of hair from the front each time to make a French braid. So once we have come to the end of the hair, tie the hair with a rubber band and fix it with a bobby pin. We'll be making the same braid on the other section of the hair and tightening it with a bobby pin. So this is how the entire outfit looks like. Now to amplify the look, I will be attaching these latkans Basically, I bought these latkans from Chandni Chowk, attached them to a dory, and I usually wear it with different outfits to give an amplified look to the garment. Also, yeah, the necklace that I'm wearing is from Amazon. The studs are from an Instagram store, and the Haathphool is from Chandni Chowk, Delhi. So for the next style, I have worn the lehenga with a crop top and a long jacket. It's a very easy style and I loved wearing it. So for the third style here, I'm wearing an embroidered blouse. The dupatta is from my mom's closet, I found. Attaching one end of the dupatta on the waist with a safety pin just below the navel. So this is basically on the left side. So rotating the dupatta from behind, bringing it in the front just like a sari pallu. Will be placing the dupatta on the left side of the shoulder. Now since my blouse is embroidered and also the borders of the dupatta are heavily embroidered, I'm placing the dupatta in such a way that the embroidery of the blouse is visible. Now making pleats by keeping the border visible of the dupatta, I will be placing the pleats on the shoulder and securing it with the safety pin. The earrings that I'm wearing here is from Lajpat Nagar. The Kada bangle is maybe really old, which I probably bought it from Commercial Street, Bangalore. So for the third style here, I'm wearing a heavy sequins and kundan embroidered kurta. I guess I've worn it for a lot of occasions. It's very old. So for the same hairstyle, I'm making a slight change. By taking a section of hair from the two sides, I will be making a ponytail and flipping the hair from the rubber band in center from top. The Chandpalis are from an Instagram store and the metal bangles are from Commercial Street. So for the third style, taking the entire hair on the right side, we'll be parting the hair in two sections. Taking a few strands of hair from the end of one section, we'll be passing it on to the other section in the front. We'll be doing the same thing from the other section, taking the strand of hair from the end of one section and passing it on to the other. So this forms a braid. We'll keep doing this until the end of the hair and tying it with a elastic band. So I wore the lehenga with a white full sleeve shirt. The neck piece and the earrings set is from Amazon. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, do like the video, comment down below your favorite style and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.